For today's topic, we are going to discuss and assess the week's finest word puzzles. Shall we begin? Riddle time. What five-letter word becomes shorter when you add two letters to it? Who? Think it over. A five-letter word, you add two letters, and somehow it becomes shorter. Take your time, the answer is coming. The answer is short. Take short 5 letters, add E and R, and it literally becomes shorter. 7 letters that mean less. Who? And your groaner, why did the owl win the riddle contest? He gave a hoot about the answer. More word fun, free, at A to Z wordfinder.com. Puzzle time. I've got 6 letters that spell 5 common English words, plus a rare 6th for the true word nerds. Can you find even 2 of them? Here they are. NELIST. Rearrange all 6. Pause right here and see how many you can find. Ready, listen, silent, enlist, tinsel, and INLETS. 5 common words from the same 6 letters, and for the true word nerds, the dictionary hides a rare 6th. ELINTS, bits of electronic intelligence. Who? How many did you get? Tell me in the comments. Your groaner, what's an owl's favorite part of a song? The hoot section. More word fun, free, at A to Z wordfinder.com. Riddle time. What word starts with E, ends with E, but only has 1 letter in it? Who? Boy, think carefully. Starts with E, ends with E, and somehow there's only 1 letter in it. Take your time. It's an 8-letter word. Its envelope starts with E, ends with E, and inside there's exactly 1 letter. The kind you mail. Who? And now a groaner. What did the envelope say to the stamp? Stick with me, and we'll go places. More word fun, free, at A to Z wordfinder.com. Puzzle time. Can you turn the word cold into the word warm, changing just 1 letter at a time? Every step has to be a real word. Start at cold, end at warm. 1 letter changes per step, and every step along the way must be a real English word. Pause and try it. Here's the path. Cold becomes cord, cord becomes card, card becomes ward, and ward becomes warm. 4 steps, every one a real word. Who? Did you find a different path? Tell me in the comments. Your groaner, why don't owls ever get cold? They've got their own HOODIs. More word fun, free, at A to Z wordfinder.com. Riddle time. Take 1 letter away from me, and 12 remain. What am I? Who? Have a think. It's a 6-letter word. Remove just 1 letter, and somehow 12 are left behind. Take your time. It's DOZNS. Drop the S from DOZNS and you're left with dozen, and a dozen is 12. Who? And your groaner, what do you call a dozen owls? A HOO10any. More word fun, free, at A to Z wordfinder.com. Professor McHoot's AI tip. Number 1. Here's a simple 5-word trick that often gets you clearer, more useful AI answers. Before your question, give the AI a role. Say, act as a chess coach, or act as a patient math tutor, or act as a travel agent. The role tells the AI what kind of answer you're after, the style, the focus, the tone. Then ask your question and see what changes. Your groaner, why is Professor McHoot's so good at prompting AI? Because he always knows exactly HOO it should be. Learn AI without the fear at noifear.ai. Here's a startling one. There's a 9-letter word that stays a real word. As you remove its letters, 1 at a time, step after step, can you name it? 9 letters, take away 1 letter at a time, and every single step is still a real word. Here's your hint. The word itself describes this riddle. It's startling. Drop a letter, starling the bird. Again, staring, then string, sting, sing, sin, and in. 9 letters down to 2, every single one a real word. Who? Your groaner, what did startling say after losing 7 letters? Count me in. More word fun, free, at A to Z wordfinder.com.
Load.
Oh, no. Now, students. Run along, off you go.